yun at yun pa rin yung binibili ng mga customers natin. Naman si James, dinalo pa tayo dito from Pasay.
Guys, get nice yan.
So syempre dapat worth it yung dalaw niya, dapat bibili na rin si James ngayon,
of course.
What's up guys, we're here sa Get Nice Store and ito, we're finally back. I'm back baby, let's go. Hard to find what I can give lowest is 16.5.
Don't worry, 17.5. I'll give it to Papa. He really...
You'll get it na? O sige, okay. Sige, reserve na and give it to Perry. So yun guys, abenta naman tayo. Abalik lang natin sa mga neighbors natin. Si Perry, suki natin. And abenta tayo ng size 12 na Year of the Snake. Pero neighbor price, 16.5. Guys, kahit disable tayo, nakabenta pa rin tayo, diba? And sir, maganda yun, no?
Inisip ko ito or yun?
Depends eh. Like, the Loewe kasi, if you're going for like a sophisticated look, diba? Like for example, in comparison, Loewe, even if Loewe na siya, yung box niya ganun lang din, no? Yung common na brown box. But this one, it has a special box. So Loewe, there can still be restock for that. Parang you can always buy it in the future. Actually, I'm negotiating against myself kasi that's a bit better sale kasi that's more expensive, di ba? This is lang 17, di ba? Pero I'm trying to convince you with this one.
I'm okay with this now.
You're gonna get this one now. Okay, sige, sige sir. Passes naman. Ito sir, si Jordan Clarkson yung mag-aas. JC. Thank you, salamat. Next time pag may order ka pa.
Okay.
Yun, thank you po. Salamat po. Salamat sir. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Sa mga pinaka-na-miss ko sa pagbalik ko dito eh. What's up brother? How are you?
Bro, welcome back.
Ito, welcome back.
Grabe yung hassle mo ah.
Grabe, oh.
Grabe ka agad.
Miss ko na kasing bumalik eh. Kaya pahinga lang naman tayo. Kamusta?
Hindi, ikaw dapat ako kamusta.
Ito, recovering sa nagbebenta na rin tayo.
Pero, no-operate ka diba?
Oo. I was advised to rest for 2 months pero matigas ulo natin eh. Hindi na tayo.
Sabi ko, dyan tayo nagkakasundo.
May bakal na tayo dito. Ayan. Chrome Hearts yung pinalagay ko bro na ba? Hindi. So thanks for coming.
Of course. Pasay.
Grabe, tingnan mo naman si James. Dinalo pa tayo dito from Pasay.
Guys, get nice yan.
So syempre dapat worth it yung dalaw niya. Dapat bibili na rin si James ngayon,
di ba? Of course. Naghanap ako nung Pearl Ice na...
Pearl Ice?
Yes.
Yung cloud tilt na on.
10.5
Sakto
yun.
meron kami noon, bro. So ito bro, Pearl Ice. Pero check natin kung meron sa size. Ano size mo, brother?
10.5 US.
Kasi dahil sobrang fast moving ng pair na to. I
Yeah.
need to check kung meron pa tayo. Guys, Jello, pa-check naman kung meron pa tayo 10.5.
10.5 guys.
Sakto, meron pa, brother.
Yun!
Ayan, oh.
Thanks.
Sakto. Ayun. Brother. Ito. Sakto.
10.5 US.
Yan.
Pearl Ice. Sobrang ganda. Alis kasi ako bukas eh.
Okay, where are you going?
Singapore. Isang buwan ako.
Isang buwan ka doon?
Yeah. So gusto ko ito yung rarak ko sa Singapore.
Ito yung pang everyday wear mo sa Singapore.
Yes. Sige.
Sige, brother.
Magkano mo sa akin bibigay?
Ang selling namin nito sa store is 40,000. Ngayon, dahil pumunta ka pa from Pasay and everything.
Dapat guys, layuan nyo yung dating pag tinanong kayo dito.
So, I can give it to you for only 13,000.
Okay, sige.
Okay. Ang bilis ka usap ni Brother James. So, 13,000.
Siyempre, may pilay eh.
Let's go.
Sukatin natin agad. Yeah. Grabe, hindi ko na-expect na grabe ka. Sobrang grabe. Ganda. Iba talaga. Anyways, thank you guys. Yun lang. Ating talaga yung on guys. Delikado to. Huwag simulan.
So yun guys, dumalo pa si James kasi sabi nga natin, kakabalik lang natin today. So dumalo pa siya para bumili ng cloud tilt. So yun guys, super thank you sa ibang mga customers natin na pumunta dito dahil we're back. We're so back. And video mo to, saan ka galing?
Nag-CR lang pa.
Nag-CR ka? Alam mo ba nung habang wala kami, nabenta na naman tayong on cloud. And so big sa'yo dapat lagi ka nandito, mag-diaper ka next time. Sobrang dami nating nabentang on cloud today. Yun at yun pa rin yung binibili ng mga customers natin. And sobrang on supremacy. If you don't have an on sneakers yet, then head out to the Get Nice store now and buy one.
Drip check na.
Drip check na. Okay, sige. For our cap, we're wearing the new era. Regalo ni Angelo and 2.5. And then for the jacket, we're wearing Balenciaga, guys. So, ayan. This is for 45,000. And then for the inner shirt, we have the Mango plain white shirt. This is for 2,000 pesos. And then for the shorts, we have the Stussy snake skin mesh shorts. This is available sa Get Nice for pre-order. Price is 16,000 and above. Depends on your size. And then for the shoes, we have the Vomero Timeless Panda. So medyo iba yung itsura niya kasi guys, ginupit natin yung yung nakataklog dito eh. So this is for 15,000, ranges to 20,000, depends again on your size. And for the watch, we have the Rolex Root Beer.